Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.17. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 49.06% since we first listed BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 40 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.23% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 133.65% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 133.65% to 233.75%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 66.72%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 1.81% to 215% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $6.24 and $20. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price fell by nearly 1% on the last day, Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, moving from $6.41 to $6.35. It has now experienced a decline for 6 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.58%, with a daily low at $6.33 and a daily high of $6.81. The price has decreased in 9 of the last 10 days, resulting in a drop of approximately 22.75% over this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 59 million shares were traded, amounting to around $374,880,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price sits at 38.65%, or $4, below the 52-week high, and 60.61%, or $9.77, below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when it peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the ticker BBAI, has recently announced a strategic collaboration with DEFCON AI to enhance military readiness through advanced modeling and data integration solutions. This partnership aligns with the increasing demand for artificial intelligence in defense, which could significantly improve the company's revenue prospects in the long run, especially as defense budgets expand. Additionally, BigBear.ai has made strides in deploying AI solutions at major U.S. airports such as Los Angeles International Airport and Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. This domestic success reflects heightened investments in national security and logistics. However, despite this positive momentum, BBAI stock has experienced volatility, recently closing at $7.39 after a drop of 5.26%. Investors are keenly awaiting the upcoming earnings report, which will be a critical indicator of the company's financial health and its ability to sustain growth. While BBAI has seen an impressive 80% increase this year, questions remain about converting contracts into profitable outcomes, particularly in the competitive artificial intelligence landscape. International expansion has potential, but comes with challenges, especially in securing government contracts. In the short term, ongoing developments and market reactions will likely influence stock performance significantly, while in the long term, successful execution of contracts and strategic partnerships could provide a solid foundation for sustained growth. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, it was again reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell classification. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 17, 2025, and so far, it has fallen by 22.75%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If there are further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $7.09. In the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the long-term average at around $6.29. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 179 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.84 and $5.80. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, BigBear.ai Holdings finds support just below today's level at $5.84. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.80 and $5.23. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 480 cents between high and low, which amounts to 7.58%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 7.47%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of August, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 7 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $6.79. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $5.84. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond executed an insider sale of 6,524 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn executed an insider sale of 5,945 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, McAleen and Kevin executed an insider sale of 3,113 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond executed an insider purchase of 39,788 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC executed an insider purchase of 65,822 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of minus 91.683. Overall, insiders purchased 2,795,254 shares and sold 135,474,287 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.03, reflecting a decline of 5.02%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 10 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators are currently negative, which we believe will impact the stock's development over the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we think that at today's level, there is a potential buying opportunity and that the price is likely to rise during or at the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 1st of August, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open higher by approximately 147 cents, starting at a price of $6.50. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult the financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your insights in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.